Welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name's Jana and I'm all about frugalness. Yes. So I'm going to do a new series. It's a little chilly in here. I'm going to do a new series and it's going to be called Spend $50 for a week for two, something like that. You'll see whatever it is in the title. But anyway, I'm going to go to Walmart. I've already got my meal plan planned out and I've looked up all the ingredients online, and this should cost me less than $50. And this is going to cover breakfast for a week, 7 days, and dinners for a week for 7 days. So let's see if we can do it. Get all the ingredients for under $50. Let's go. Let's go to Walmart. You want to? Okay, we are at Walmart. Going in, I got my list. Let's see what we can do. Can we get under $50? Looks like they're out of just the regular elbow. Oh no, they're. Oh, I don't want 2 pounds. So, oh, there it is, 98. Okay, I'm back from Walmart, and I'm going to show you what I got. This is for a week's worth of meal prepping. And this week, I did something totally different than I usually do. I went and bought the whole 7 days. Plus, I included breakfast. So, my goal was $50 for 7 dinners and 7 breakfasts. So, we'll see if I did it. So, let me turn it around and show you what I got. And then I'll show you the receipt. That's quite a bit of food. Trying to get it all in the shot. I have 2 turkeys, a chorizo, some strawberries under there, 3 different kinds of cheeses. There's a cabbage, some spinach, 3 pounds of onions, 5 pounds of potatoes, eggs. There's breakfast toast or bread, tortillas, corn and flour, 2 bell peppers, a jalapeno sour cream, peanut butter, green chilies, blueberry muffins. We know what that's. Breakfast. 5 Roma Tomatoes, mac and cheese, Orzo, elbow macaroni, rice. And that's it. I think I got everything on there. So, now, I'm going to cook it all. So, let's look at the receipt. So the receipt came out to $48.46. I think that I did it. Yippee! So a whole week's worth of dinners and breakfast for under $50. I think that's pretty good. And these are going to be some things I haven't cooked before. But once again, I use part of this for one meal and then the other part for another meal. Use part of this cheese for one meal and the other part for another meal. So I double up ingredients for 2 or more recipes. So there you go. Well, let's cook it. Okay, I knew I was missing something. I was missing all the canned goods. Hi, Sammy. I found a sack that I hadn't gone through yet. So this also will go with the meal plan. All right, I think that's it now.